So this is the River Waveney, heading off to Beccles in that direction, and we are on a walk through Carlton Marsh Nature Reserve, and lovely, lovely. Wow, look at all them flying. They might be plovers, I think. The seagulls there as well. But, look at those swirling around. What are they doing? Are they going to go down? Just seem to be going round and round in circles. Wonder what spooked them. I think they're going to go round and round all morning. Let's come back and see the full size. Yeah, they're just having a lovely time. I'm sure they are going round and round. But I thought those were cows in the last video. They are not. They're heifers. For heifer and heifer. Look at the birdies going round and round. Right by the River Waveney. That's nice, isn't it? And they're still going round, those birds, look. I think they're ring plovers, I might be wrong. I can see some birds out on the water there. Too far away without binoculars to see what they are. Fairly certain those are plovers that are flying round. But first of all, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, ringing the bell, and a special thank you of appreciation for all those who have subscribed. So kind. Now, there was an egret over here just now. I can't quite see it. It's hidden behind the water plants, but we'll see what we can see further on here. Yes, big appreciation for those who have subscribed. And if you haven't, let me make a little plea. Please make an old man happy by subscribing. Thank you. Plovers are still going round. Look at them. Yeah, they're definitely ring plovers now. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I can see the white on the underside. I can see the egret is coming into view now. Look at them. They've broken into two groups now. And there's the egret. We'll see if we can zoom in and I'll show you the egret. If you're bored with nature, I'm really sorry. There he is. That's a small little egret. That's not the big one. Sorry if that's not long enough for you twitchers. Right. You're right, my dear.
Yeah, a bit muddy here.
Can we get through though, if it's only just a bit of a patch? Which side are you going? Yeah, if you go right over that side, go on, you go that side, I'll go this side, and we'll be all right, won't we? Oh, my finger, that's my bad finger, you're squidging. Right.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of this we're going through, We'll be all right.
Under the trees, which is here.
Aye, we'll be all right. Go right that side.
I am.
I know, but I'm right in the middle of it all. Yeah. I'm in the middle, you're on the side, you're all right. I don't know. Wow, my feet are getting heavier, they're gathering mud. Right, we're out of it.
Hang on, no.
Birds are still going round. Does this go round, did he say?
No.
It doesn't?
No, it only goes so far.
Oh, sir. Oh, makes me mind my fingers.
Oops.
Oh, so we... Ow! Got your nails, love.
Oh, hold my hand, please. You don't want me to hold the other way?
I can hear it.
Somehow you're holding your hand.
Well, don't worry, you've not an issue, my dear. It's only grass now. Right, look, there's the lovely shot across the... I'm going to stop now because I think it's getting a bit boring. This just looking at this little path and the reeds. So we'll look out across the waters there, across the ponds, and we'll say thank you for watching and bye for now from Carlton Marsh in Suffolk, United Kingdom. Bye everybody, thank you for watching.